Before you test or replace a sensor, always confirm the integrity of its power feed. This lesson walks you through why and how to verify the power and ground circuits first, so you avoid chasing false sensor faults. Every typical sensor circuit is built on three paths: a power feed, a ground return, and a signal wire to the module. A problem with any path, especially the power feed, means the sensor may not work, even if the sensor itself is fine. Always trace the true system behavior before jumping to conclusions. An open power feed means the sensor gets no voltage. A short pulls voltage away, often to ground. Either one can make the sensor appear faulty to the ECU. Recognizing these fault types is crucial before suspecting the sensor itself. To really confirm the power feed, perform a loaded voltage check. Back probe the sensor connector with the circuit powered on and the sensor connected. The expected result matches spec, often 5 volts for a reference. But an abnormal result, like a significant drop or no voltage, means you have a feed or ground problem. Only after confirming solid voltage under load should you move on to testing the sensor. A reliable diagnostic test path always checks the source, power and ground, before moving to the signal or the sensor itself. If the loaded voltage test fails, the next step is tracing and repairing power or ground issues. Only move forward once the circuit supports proper voltage with real current draw. A common and expensive mistake is to replace a sensor just because a code or value looks wrong. Without confirming its power and ground integrity, you risk wasting time and money on parts that were never faulty, because a broken feed can mimic any sensor failure. Always test the sensor's voltage supply and ground under load before moving to signal checks or part replacement. Robust power and ground prove the sensor test is valid. This habit prevents wasted effort and repeat comebacks. Thank you for joining us. Remember, circuit integrity always comes before sensor suspicion. For more in-depth diagnostic strategy, explore the next STEP lesson.